will show you how to make your own inhaler. Inhalers are a good alternative to diffusers. Here are some of the reasons why I love inhalers. Number 1, inhalers are portable. Since this is just about the size of a lipstick, you can just put it inside your bag or your purse. Number 2, this is very effective since inhalation is one of the most effective ways to get the therapeutic benefits of your essential oils. And number 3, inhalers are economical. An inhaler would last about a month or longer. For today, I will make the immune boost recipe. This is to support immune boost function. This is very timely since we are in the middle of the pandemic. So here's how. You just need a total of 15 drops for all the essential oils. Drop the oils into the plate. Then roll the cotton wick to absorb the oils. Make sure to roll it properly so that all the oils will be absorbed by the cotton wick. Now put the cotton wick inside the inhaler tube and then put the cap. And then you're done. Now open the cover. Inhale close to your nose. And use as needed.